Hey, on my birthday, it's always raining and cutting up. Yeah. Good Lord. I bet it do. Ooh, did I hear some thunder? Uh-oh. Oh, snap. Everything flying away. I'm sitting here trying to enjoy this beautiful waterfall on my birthday, y'all. God is good. And all of a sudden, the wind is raging right now. But I looked on my phone and it says it's about to rain. Oh yeah, coming down already. I just felt the sprinkle. I thank God for this day. February 28th, blah, 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 X amount of years ago. I was born at 11:27 a.m. to the proud parents, my late proud parents, Michael and LaDonna Johnson, Crump Johnson, and I'm grateful to God. All right, you bless everybody.